Hola, buenos dias, Kaisho. So I'd like to take a moment to share with you a little bit of information and also introduce you to our next guest conductor, Gemma New, who is a really dear colleague of mine and will be making her Euskadiko Orchestra debut. We have been really excited to present her, and we're so happy that she has come to join our orchestra and created a really fantastic project that I think you will be very happy with. She has invited, along with us, a great violinist, Vadim Gluzman, who I've known personally since I was 16 years old, and whom I have toured the world with, and also has toured with the Euskadiko Orchestra on our Germany tour. He will be performing Prokofiev's second violin concerto, and this is not just a concerto for the violin with the orchestra backing him up. This is a concerto where we are hand in hand together. It is virtuosic for everybody, and it is a real tour de force. Absolutely fantastic piece of music. Paired with this amazing concerto will be Schumann's Symphony No. 3, the Rhenish. And this will be a continuation of our Schumann cycle that we will do throughout the season. I did 2 symphonies, and now Mrs. New will do one as well. And the Rhenish Symphony is a spectacular piece of music that really will teleport you right to the Rhineland of Germany and take you right to Cologne and to the great cathedrals and give you music really of a substantial German nature. And I think it's going to be really fantastic. I hope you'll join the orchestra and this next project. Eskerrik asko. Adios.